Hi guys, my name is Alonna. Welcome to my channel. I'm a licensed cosmetologist and makeup artist, and as you can tell by the title of this video, today I'm going to be doing a foundation routine, but my YouTube is going to mostly consist of foundation routines, tutorials, hauls, you know, everything beauty that you can think of. Also, along with that, we're going to be doing like hair, fashion, vlogs, all that good stuff. So if you can think of any videos, just comment that down below. Thank you so much for joining my YouTube channel and coming to follow me on this journey. And without further ado, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get on with this foundation routine. Okay, so starting off, a big tip when it comes to a Baddie foundation routine is simplicity. Keep everything naturally flawless, everything except your lashes, of course. And then we're going to first start by clipping our hair back and getting our hair out of our face. Next, we're going to go with our Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and our MAC Strobe Cream. We're going to use our primer just so we can get an even base to put our foundation over so we can have flawless skin. And then we're going to use our Strobe Cream for a beautiful illuminator underneath our skin so that we're looking dewy and glowing. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Dip Brow in the color Ebony, along with my Mini NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the color Walnut. I'm going to use the spoolie and groom and brush out my brows, and then I'm going to go ahead and quickly fill in my brows for the video's sake. If you want an eyebrow routine, make sure you go ahead and comment that down below. This is how my eyebrows look once they're filled in. And then I'm going to go ahead and conceal my brows. I highlight all around my brows and in the middle so I don't create like that weird shadow that outlines your brows. Going in with this fluffy Real Techniques eyeshadow brush, I'm going to just blend all that concealer out. I'm going to blend like above my brows, making sure to avoid my lace. I'm going to blend underneath my brow, blending that down onto my lid so that I don't have to go ahead and conceal that later. I'm not going to be using any eyeshadow today. Pulling out my MAC Studio Fix powder that I use for my face usually, I'm going to just go ahead and set the concealer on my lid so that it's all the same shade as my skin tone, so it doesn't look like I'm wearing eyeshadow or concealer. I'm going in with my Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner and creating a simple sharp wing. Alright, and this is just what my wings look like. Next, find some fluffy and full lashes. Like, trust me, this makes the whole look. And I'm just going to be using this clear adhesive from Ardell. And while our glue is drying, keep yourself busy and hydrated with your Hydramate. It's super cute and it makes you drink your 8 pints of water a day, and it's not sponsored, but I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and glue these lashes on that I bought from Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description because I can't remember where I got them. I just know they're off of Amazon. And you can meet Mr. Talon, my Pomeranian puppy, and you'll be seeing a lot of him on this channel because I love him. Now for my foundation, I'm using my favorite, the Huda Beauty Faux Filter in the color Cinnamon. And my foundation brush is from Cosmo School. It's like a Paul Mitchell branded brush. But for my foundation, I use the color Gingerbread in the winter. I always buy it for the seasons. It's super full coverage, almost like paint. This foundation is so full coverage that it can double as a concealer, so you don't need to like layer product. I'm just going to go ahead and use my beauty blender to blend this out under my eyes. Now I'm going to bake under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead using my Laura Mercier loose powder and translucent. And now I'm going back to that MAC powder, and I'll set the rest of my face using another Paul Mitchell face brush that I got. These brushes are super soft and nice, that's why I always use them. And this is my Real Techniques brush, also going in and going under my eyes and getting the rest of that powder. Going in with this random fan brush and this MAC blush powder in Blonde, I'm going to contour the hollows of my cheeks, my jawbone, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. And this blush brush that I got from Target, and this Too Faced blush, and How Deep Is Your Love, and I'll add some flush to my face. Going back in with that same contour, I'm going to go ahead and go under my eyes just to get that powder away and just create some dimension. Alright, going in with this Smashbox eyeliner and this Fix Plus setting spray. I set my face before my highlight, and I'm using some BoxyCharm products. This Artist Couture highlight in Diamond Glow is poppin', and I apply it with this fan brush that I also came in one of my boxes, and I apply that to the cheekbone, my nose, the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, my chin, my forehead. Going in with my Better Than Sex mascara, applying these to my lashes, blending them in with my falsies, applying some Bomb High Gloss lip gloss from Pink, and that pretty much seals off your finished look. Now you are looking like a baddie, a natural baddie, a poppin' baddie, poppin' highlight, poppin' lashes. Do your hair, put on some earrings, put on an outfit, and you're done.
Hey guys, this is basically the finished look. Baddie. My biggest tip is keep it nice and simple, keep it nice and flawless, and you'll look like a baddie every single time. Keep your lashes fluttery and your lip gloss on point, and basically that's all there is to a baddie foundation routine. And I appreciate you guys tuning in on how to become a baddie real quick. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you comment some videos that you'd like to see down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.